y'all. I'm at Classic and Muscle Car Restoration here in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. Let's go check it out. I see Roscoe Pico's Trains car from the Dukes of Hazzard. Check this sucker out, y'all. Trump's riding down passenger seat there. I wonder if this really was on the Dukes of Hazzard. There we go, Roscoe and his old hound dog. That is cool. Look at this old classic Coca-Cola vending machine. Heck yeah. Check it out, y'all. It's the Ghostbusters mobile. Yeah, that's right. Let me try to squeeze on through here. Ghostbusters mobile is a Cadillac hearse. Oh, that is cool as heck, y'all. They got all kinds of old little antiques here. Old McDonald's sign. Ain't no way that still got any Coca-Cola in it. 7-Up. Old standard gas pump. That's cool.